Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can fix if you cannot hear anyone on your Discord. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get on it. So what we are going to do is to simply turn on the legacy on your audio system on your Discord. So to do that, you can go ahead and continue watching. So first, what you'll need to do is to click onto the user settings. It is the gear icon that is available on the bottom part of your screen or on your Discord. Tap into your user settings and just scroll down. And under this app settings right here, you will be able to locate the voice and video. So after that, just click onto the voice and video and just scroll down until you see the audio subsystem. So here's the audio system. So what we are going to do next is to click this right here and onto the down menu. What you'll need to do is to simply click the legacy, and then what you'll need to do is to click OK, and then you can now relaunch the Discord and use Discord again and see if that fixes the problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.